I've been using Sony a6000 for 3 years in a row, mainly for stills. But it wasn't for 2020 that I realized I want to start shooting video. And I found out that my camera can't shoot at 60 FPS. It just wasn't there. So I had to shoot 50 FPS and it wasn't that big of a deal for me. But I found out that apparently some people can somehow shoot on Sony a6000 with 1080p 60 FPS, and I decided to dive deeper into it. So today I tell you what I found about this problem and how to solve it. The problem comes from the old difference between America and Europe. While in North America electrical power has always been generating at 60 Hz, and that was the standard for analog TV broadcasting, in Europe it was 50 Hz, though many years have passed since the moment when analog TV was a huge thing, the standard have stayed. Speaking simple, if you buy a Sony mirrorless camera in the United States, you'll probably gonna have 30, 60 and if it's supported 120 FPS. But if you do the same in Europe, some parts of Africa and Asia, you'll have 25, 50 and 100 FPS, which can be a bit of a bummer. Luckily, there is a way to solve it, and here's how. As you can see, I can't activate anything more than 50 FPS now, but if I go to the last folder of the settings and then decide to go to the second part, I can activate PAL or NTSC selector. That's the difference between North America and Europe I was talking about previously. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Hope I helped you in some way and you can use your camera the way you want now. Subscribe for more.